Hey guys, I hope that you guys are having a wonderful Saturday, but it's time for me to cook, and like I told you guys, I was going to cook a chicken pot pie. So let's march over here to the stove with me and let's cook some chicken pot pie today. Okay everybody, let's get started. I have the rotisserie chicken here in the bowl. This is one of the chickens that I bought yesterday from Kroger. So I'm going to debone it. I have the dish sitting here. I've already preheated the oven to 375. I have some olive oil. I bought this from Aldi, but I'm going to spray the pan down with it. So again, I have my chicken in the bowl. I'm going to debone it. I have cream of celery and mushroom that I bought yesterday from Kroger. I'm going to mix it up inside the bowl with the chicken. I have the biscuits. They are going to go on top. This is a new recipe. I have not tried it, but I'm sure it's going to be good. Normally, I have buy the pie crust and buy a top to go on top of the pie crust, but I'm going to do something different this time. Okay, yeah, I got the biscuits. Here I got the mixed vegetables that's going to go inside. Right here, I have my onions, and I'm going to put some mushroom in it. I have my frying pan over here. That's down low, so I'm gonna dice it up and I'm gonna saute the onions and mushrooms. I want that to be cooked before I add it to the chicken pot pie. And I also seen the recipe and it said to add cheese, which that's something different. Never added that. So I might add the cheese. I don't figure it would hurt anything. But so let's go ahead and get that started, you guys, because I got this oven on heating up this butter for these onions and mushrooms, and let's get started. Alright you guys, so we have everything cut up here. I have the mushrooms, I have some onions, I've already added the salt, pepper. Right here is a little bit of garlic on here. So we're going to get this sauteed up. While this is going pretty slow, I'm probably going to go ahead and put a lid on it, because as you see, I got it cooking low, so it's down on like 3. So I'm going to let that cook slow and low, do its thing, while I go ahead and debone this chicken, and we'll be back. Alright guys, we have all the chicken deboned and shredded up in the bowl. So let's go over here and let's check on the onions and mushrooms. Those are looking good. I'm probably also going to go ahead, once these are done, I'm gonna heat up the vegetables. Like I say, I just personally like to heat everything up. I'm gonna cover that back up. I like to heat everything up before I put it in the oven. That's just me, just my thing. I wish I had something to do with these. Well, not something to do, but I wish I was into making stock, because with these bones left over, I can boil them down and make chicken stock, but I really don't have any use for them, so I guess I won't do that. And we're just gonna keep pushing along, you guys, and we'll be back. Alright, let's go over here and check this out. I have the onions and mushrooms mixed up very well with the chicken. So we saute that and cook that down. I've already opened up the cans of cream of celery and mushrooms, so we got that ready. I have the mixed vegetables over here going, heating those up. And after those get heated up pretty good, I'll go ahead and mix in the cream of mushroom and the cream of celery with the chicken mix. Just gonna give this a good stir. And like I said, you guys, this is just me heating this up. You don't have to do this. This is just a preference of mine. I just like to heat up my vegetables. I don't want to put them in, you know, frozen. Not that they aren't cooked already, but like I said again, you guys, just my preference. I like to go ahead and get them heated up. I'm not going to put any seasoning on this because I'm going to season the whole mixture really good, and I don't like to overcook this, so this looks good. We're gonna turn this down. Am I gonna heat up? No, I'm not gonna heat up the gravy. We'll go ahead and turn that off. Let's go ahead and get that over there. That looks yummy. Guess I need to grab this, huh? Y'all, that looks so good already, and I haven't even added in the cream of mushroom or anything, but that looks good. So let me get this mixed up and I shall return. Y'all, look at all of this goodness. This is so doggone good. I have already incorporated the cream of mushroom and cream of celery. Yeah, I wish I had my little thing to prop up, the little piece to go to my tripod, so I can not have to hold this and I can really have done a full-on cook with me, so you guys could see what I'm doing. But I guess you guys can, because I pretty much showed you really good step by step what I did. Y'all, this looks so good. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Look how creamy that is. And I love for my stuff to have, my chicken pot pie, to be full of chicken. I don't like no skimpy pot pie, guys. Let me just use this knife to taste it, see if I need any seasoning or anything. I don't need anything. Y'all, it's so good. The vegetables have like a crunch. Have like a bite to them. They're not overcooked. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I don't know. I kept the bag, you guys. I'm the type that I don't like messy trash. I know that's crazy. I learned that from this really old couple. I used to do private duty nursing, and they were the type, they didn't like messy trash. So I guess I kind of learned that from them. But I kept the bag because the bones and stuff went in it, and I decided to keep it so I can put the cans in it, and then I'll zip it up and put it in the garbage can, so I won't have such of a mess in my trash can, and I don't want anything leaking. So I think, y'all, this tastes good. I don't need any salt or pepper or anything because I seasoned it pretty well. And then you got the cream of celery and mushrooms, and I'm sure that probably has some seasoning. I want to try the cheese, but then I don't, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Let me look in the fridge. Let's see what kind of cheese we got in here, y'all. Okay, we do got shredded cheese. We got some of her body. And let's see, and some monster cheese. Let's go with a little hard body. Look at that, it says creamy Danish style. So let's shred up a few. Let's shred up a few of these. And I'm gonna get that in here, in this bowl, pour it in here, and get those biscuits on top. We're all ready. What I did was I patted out the biscuits. I patted them out flatter and placed them down accordingly. Now I don't know if the recipe said to do that, but that's what I did. I patted them out and then laid them down. So let's go ahead and get this in the oven, and I'll see you guys back when it's all done. All right, I have placed them in the oven. One other thing, you guys, I got them in, and I left the oven light on also so I can watch that. But one other thing, let me get this turned around. One other thing is that I wanted to say is that I, of course, put it in uncovered. Everything inside this casserole is cooked, which is another reason why I like to do that. it slows down the cooking process or whatever, so it doesn't have to cook as long. So basically all I'm doing is waiting for the biscuits to cook. Once the biscuits are done, it's done, because the chicken was already done. I cooked the onions and mushrooms, and I also, you know, kind of sauteed and cooked the vegetables. So everything inside that is done. We're just waiting for the biscuits to get done. And so of course everything else is just gonna melt and mesh in together with that cheese. I did also go ahead and put a little bit of shredded cheese in there as well. I did the Havarti, and I put some shredded cheese in there. Y'all, it's so good. I cannot wait. So that's in the oven. It's cooking. I put the oven on 375. I'm gonna let that cook. When the biscuits are done and nice and pretty, everything is done, and I'll come back then for sure and let you guys see the finished product of this. All right, you guys, it's done. It's ready. It has cooled off. I've got my bowl sitting right here. Y'all, look at how pretty that is. That is so good. And let's see here. I'm gonna get this little piece right here. Oh, y'all, that looks so good. Let's get all of that goodness. Oh, oh. I can't wait to taste this. Let's see, I don't want to make a mess because my kitchen is clean, baby. My daddy is going to be so excited about this. Let me turn this around. Look at that, y'all. Put this under this light so you can see it. Does that not look so good? Let me turn this around so we can see. I'm going to break my biscuit up in that. Oh, just 1 second. Y'all, this is so good. Look at that. This is amazing. Like, let me taste it again. Oh, the flavors, the cheese, the biscuit, the vegetables are just, they're not overcooked. The chicken, everything married so well, tastes so good. You guys, try this. Definitely give this a try. I'm gonna link the recipe down below. Let me know if you guys make this, how you like it. Let me know how it turns out. Y'all, it's so good. I can't even tell you how good it is. I cannot even begin to explain. This is bomb. Like, I want to make this again. And my daughter's so upset because she wanted to be home to have some of this because it's so freaking good. And it's good the, you know, the old-fashioned way that I make it, but this is even better with the biscuits. Like, I like this a whole lot better. This, again, is a staple forever. I'll forever make it this way. So bomb. You guys, please try it. Let me know. Come back and let me know that you tried it. I'm going to go ahead and go because I'm ready to eat. It's like 6:30. I'm ready to eat, and it's so good. You guys, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment, like, and subscribe. And that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Y'all have a good day. Bye.